amines. One nitrogen atom bonded with 3 hydrogen atoms are called as ammonia. Amines are derived from ammonia. If one or more hydrogen atoms are replaced by the alkyl or the aryl groups, then they are called as amines. Structure of amines. Nitrogen. Nitrogen atom contains 7 protons, 7 neutrons and 7 electrons. 2 electrons are in the innermost K shell. The remaining 5 electrons are in the outer valence shell. Amines are trivalent, that is, nitrogen can form covalent bonds with 3 other atoms. 3 electrons undergo covalent bonding and 2 electrons of amines remain unshared. The carbon-nitrogen-carbon bond angle is 109.5 degree and the carbon-nitrogen-hydrogen bond angle is 109.5 degree. Trimethyl amine. For the trimethyl amine, these bond angles will be 108 degree